So guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello from Moscow, and here we have on our review for today all new Lamborghini Sian, first hybrid hypercar from Lamborghini. And today with Nikita Vantorin and me, Alan Anileev, we'll try to show you this car from maximum. If you watch on this car from front, maybe you remember about Terza Millennio concept car, because these lights, it reminds me exactly this concept. And it's very cool that now we have these concept lines in real life here in Moscow. And also, if we're talking about basic price on Lamborghini Sian, it starts from $2.5 million or 2 million euro, and this one $4 million. In a lot of places on this car you can see these 63 numbers. It will be only 63 Sians produced, and these numbers are about year when Lamborghini was created. It's 1963. If we'll take a look on these lights, it's really like an alien car. And I think if aliens will come here right now to the Earth, they will see on this car and they will say like, all right guys, can you give it for us on a test drive at least, because it looks really not from this world, and this is amazing.
I think that this element is not hyper aerodynamic.
Yeah.
It just looks insane. I don't know how to say, but there are really maximum amount of holes in all the car.
Intakes everywhere, when you need it and where you don't need it.
Maybe this is the first car that really looks like a concept car, and it's a production series car model.
Everywhere these aero things, just everywhere.
Everywhere Y shapes, even on this gas cap. You see.
It looks amazing. Made from steel, you just want to touch it. It's awesome.
Typical Lambo doors.
All right, now let's talk about rear part. Nick, maybe I think this is most interesting part of this car.
The most new part maybe, because from the front we've seen this kind of shapes, the white shapes on the concepts, but here we see this tail lights, this exhaust system for the first time. Now they have it on the Countach Lamborghini, the new one.
But on Countach there are 4 exhaust pipes, on Aventador 2, and here we got only 2, but because of these huge lines it looks like okay.
These elements
they are moving when it's too hot inside.
They open, so the car have more breath. And
when exhaust system is too hot.
Yeah, talking about this wing, it's electric.
Huge. I already showed how it's going down. Now let's move it up, because it looks very beautiful. Oh yeah, amazing.
We have the hidden Sian. Name.
One more time.
Yeah, and do you know what is Sian?
Sian, it's like splash, like on Bolognian, how to say, on Bolognian Italian.
Yeah.
And it's cool when this wing is going up, and it's connecting here with this part of wing, the same from those part. It's like on Formula car, you know, when open wheels on a body, and it looks very aggressive. But
the coolers.
Nick, if we take a look on on this, how to say on Russian, it's cataphoto. In English, I don't know how
Yeah,
this
this
called.
reflecting part.
Yeah, thank you for your English level. Yeah, it looks like they forgot to make it like beautiful, and they decided to make it near of release.
Functional.
Yeah, so it looks very simple. If we are talking about power part, here we have traditional V12 6.5 engine, traditional Lamborghini engine. This engine is producing 785 horsepower, and in gearbox there is electric motor which is producing 34 horsepower, and engine is producing 785 horsepower. It's for 15 horsepower more than on Aventador SVJ. So overall this car has 819 horsepower, and from 0 to 100 it's doing in 2.8 seconds. Up. Oh yeah, sounds mega. And if you go to this menu, you can see this hybrid moment, yeah, hybrid menu.
Yeah, this is the super cab that's written here too.
Yeah,
It stands for a super capacitor system. So when you brake, the car gets that recharging,
yes,
and when you try to accelerate, you push the gas, the car uses that energy to accelerate more efficient.
yeah.
You don't have a lag when you switch the gears.
This car just needed because when I was test driving Aventador SVJ, gearbox is not so quick, yeah, and see here with this electric moment, it's much more better.
And one thing that I don't really understand,
Yeah.
this is the oval shaped mirror.
It looks like from old Fiat 500, I don't know.
Yeah, maybe this is the only not so sharp thing in this whole car.
Yeah. And also another moment which is interesting, look at this wheel, no buttons here. I just don't remember when on modern cars it was no buttons at all on a wheel.
The tuning car guys have more room.
Possibilities to
Yeah.
make a crazy upgrade, to make, for example, like plate style wheel, for example. And also this thing, we can tune it with button, look, up. And also another cool thing is traditional for Lamborghini, that you can have a look on engine when you are sitting inside, because a few days ago we were filming all new Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and it's impossible to see your engine when you sit inside because it's too low. But maybe it's better for handling, I don't know. So from inside you can see here like upgraded Aventador, yeah, the same lines but in another style, and that's nice. Also here you have a little box for little things.
And this is the key, by the way.
Oh really?
This is a small key that you use to open the engine space.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have two locks and you open it. And talking about the Aventador style cars in Lamborghini, they've made that kind of super commercially
model,
successful. Yeah, because
marketing genius.
okay, we take the Aventador, throw some more horsepower there, make a new Aventador car.
Yeah.
Then we change the front, we make the Sián. Then we change the front from the Sián, we make it Countach.
Yeah. So this model is already living over 10 years, and this is insane for modern supercar. It's very cool. They are really a marketing genius. Look at this key. It's so simple. It's like on basic Huracan or on Urus. Guys, when car has such incredible cost with $4 million, it should be interesting, but here it's very simple. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our Lamborghini Sian review. Please leave a comment. What do you think about this car? Which car you would like to buy in such budget? Exactly this one, or maybe something another. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next videos. Thank you.